Let's get moving. Seagull, I know you feel webbed, but you must keep up.
I'm coming, don't worry.
I'm sick of your goddamn scampering. Keep up, man, for God's sakes.
I'm coming, I'm running. I like running. I can keep on running. Ow! Ow! And my leg. My leg is very painful for me.
I think I've done it. What are you doing? Because I've discovered something amazing right here.
This is important.
Right?
You remember Seagull?
Yeah, I remember.
bird.
Yeah, I remember him.
His leg is snapped like a twiglet.
A twiglet.
Yeah, twiglet. You know,
Oh my
birds.
god. I'm not really that bothered because, look, if I take this twig, I can generate a new teleportation system that's never been seen in the history of it.
Hey.
Right.
Writhing
Oh,
around in agony on the floor.
okay.
It may result in amputation.
Right.
Like this.
I should maybe just leave him to die or something, because if at the end of the day, look, I can do this now. See, it was very good, wasn't it? Don't you think? It's
Yeah,
great.
your teleportation skills are great, but
Forget
what
that, look.
about Seagull?
See, don't forget Seagull. Embrace this tree. Touch this moss.
It's a tree. It's
the
great.
center
It's made
of
of
the
wood.
vortex.
Okay, what do you want
You've
from me?
generated a special power. Can you feel the spores twinkling through your nose hairs there? Go on.
You got no powers.
Stuff this fern between your legs and rub it very fast.
Tell you what I think of your ferns.
Do it. Go on.
This is what I think of your ferns, okay? Rubbish.
You just don't understand at all.
Grumble, grumble, grumble.
Wom. Wom.
What the goddamn hell are you doing?
Did you see that?
Saw
What was
it,
all?
right, and I don't
I
believe
don't
it.
understand.
Oh, yeah.
It must have come from the vortex that I created in the middle of the wood. That's amazing. The ferns must have generated the thing.
Oh, Jesus, you think that's a good thing?
Come on,
When we're
embrace it.
drowning in bullshit,
This is amazing.
you're the one I'm gonna come to for a shovel,
Always, guys,
okay?
forget all of these things. This is amazing. Something's changed, and it feels very.
Messing with things he doesn't understand. Goddamn idiot.
Strange.
Lie down.